On to the next.
Organic.
We'll be worrying with this.
Munyo dogu.
Munyo dogu. Hey. See Munyo dogu look. Yeah, shut there.
Munyo dogu. Organic.
But that video looks nice. Looking all posh.
Yes, boss. Short. I wonder how you employ short people. If my sound man a short man, I don't tire. Give up. Sound short. The light short. DP short.
Short man.
Makeup short small.
Thank you, sir.
You understand?
Cameroon woman too. Cameroon man tell well.
I told person now. We'll use this song.
And then we are doing.
Hey.
Wala.
Where's the dollar?
Action.
You say my head not correct.
I don't mean it that way, madam.
No, you don't say my head not correct.
I'm so sorry. You're overreacting.
See, I give you 1 week, and you come back here in 1 week time. Man, you talk my things then. Not blow me. Not try me.
Alright, let's go. You're busy talking, madam. What are you saying, madam? Action.
Hi, Posh Empire.
Hello. Welcome.
Thank
How you
you.
doing?
I'm okay. Okay, I placed an order like more than a month ago. I came here to pick it up.
Oh, what code?
992.
992. Do we have 992? No one. Oh, I'm so sorry. 992.
Hey,
It's
Jesus
okay.
Christ of Nazareth. This woman. For more than 1 month today, I don't order clothes to this shop. You don't get 992. You never, my things will never be ready.
Madam, you're not
Hey,
understanding me.
Abuja, this
When you
Abuja
place-
fight, this Abuja
Madam,
shop
can you
there.
please listen to me? When you place an order, you're supposed to drop your payment.
Posh, you know, so not extra money, not enter your account.
Of course, I receive payment on a daily.
Okay, and I read na French. I not read English. I know if you understand English properly.
We wrote everything in English.
Listen, ma tell you something. I get an event this evening. I want my clothes.
Okay, madam, can you please be reasonable, okay?
Wait, you say wait, I don't understand.
Can you just be reasonable?
Wait, so you tell me now say my hair not correct?
That's not what I mean.
So you mean now say my hair not correct?
That is not.
I did tell you say I want my clothes. You tell me say my be. So you mean say my head at the crest, my hair not correct?
I am.
See am, not make a man vex to you. I did tell you, not make a man vex. I did give you now 1 week. So that's why I get what you want a man wear.
Can you replace your order with something else?
No, wait, what you want a man take? I don't buy anything for here. I give you 1 week. If Martina never come in 1 week, you know would like what I will do you. And I will call that receipt when you ask them. Now what's nonsense this? Who all these Abuja people there? I don't know why I don't buy Martina for Cameroon. Now she you tell me say my hair not correct. Say just take your time, oh. And you want to just take your time, don't make a man vex to you. Just take your time. Ha.
Oh, this your show is this.
Alright, come now. Okay, we'll do on here. Come.
Okay.
That time when she come. That's why she come to 2 shop. You
When she come.
where she not entry.
I like
Then leave her like.
No, he's taller than me.
He's taller than you.
Yeah.
Oh, Ben.
No,
Ben, come.
Like me. No problem.
Sorry now, sorry, my
That
person.
must not work again.
Sorry now,
You're not gonna see yourself for that room.
Hey, Jesus. My mom will put me for trouble.
For director film, make a video.
I don't. If I wear your handbag.
How you stop with that one? Like those people where they follow you for that.
Miracle.
So come and take driver.
Okay.
You're actually expecting him to support you. From your speech, your experience is good, but I mean he wants the right. So let's go. So looking down, not too happy. This is not actually what you were expecting. Actually.
I have the first one.
Yeah, I think you go down. You go down.
Listens to everything you say.
So don't try, they're making the good work. This one, like, say they try.
I don't understand.
She dey do your best,
Don't come now.
Action.
Sandra,
Yes, sir.
I have listened to everything you said. And I'm wondering, is that why you came with your luggage? Wait. I hope you're not planning to stay here and abandon your husband.